If you've been waiting for a sign to finally start your own business. What's up guys, this is your success coach, and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here. Hello, thanks for stopping by, but don't be a stranger, hit that subscribe button and join the family. So if you are wanting to start a business, and you are not quite sure what you want to start, but the one thing you are sure of, is you tighter than 9 to 5. Do not worry, that's why I'm making this video today, to give you 5 business ideas that you can start right now, yes, even in a recession, and you can even start these side hustles while working your 9 to 5 until you can make that side hustle your main hustle, and I wanted to give you plenty of ideas. Variety pack here, and I also share some tools that many have used to be successful in these businesses, and let's jump right into number 1. Amazon FBA. What basically Amazon FBA is, you find a hot item that is selling, you purchase that product from wholesale sources, and then you ship it to Amazon, and they store it in their fulfillment center, and when someone's on Amazon purchase your product, Amazon does all the dirty work for you. They pack it and they ship it, and you get paid, but they also take their cut too, because you know everything's about money. Yes, it is a bit saturated in the Amazon market, however people are still making tons of money doing it. This 30-year-old retiree made $97,000 in passive income last year, and this 16-year-old made $2 million selling game consoles on Amazon, so this could be the next business you need to start. Second business idea. We are going to enter into the world of beauty. A lot of people have spent money on skin and body care products because many people have turned on their self-care mode. So this is the best time to launch an online beauty care company that focuses on skin, hair, nails, and just body care overall. And you know things are slowly getting back to normal, and things has opened back up, so a lot of people are going places, and they do need makeup too. So if that is something that interests you, you can do that, and let me tell you what, a lot of these millionaires in the beauty world are purchasing their products, and it is right from Alibaba. Who owns the Crayon Case Cosmetics has said that she purchased her stuff from Alibaba, and her business is a multi-million-dollar business.
Alibaba is a perfect way for you to find suppliers. People try to also make fun of Alibaba and make it seem like Alibaba is a place where you shouldn't shop for supplies. Yes, it is. You can find a man on Alibaba. You hear me? You can find anything. I've been working with Alibaba since 2015. I've been having the same suppliers with the Crayon Case since 2017.
Alright, third business is in another huge industry, and that's going to be starting an online pet care business. Because in the year of 2020, the pet care industry brought in over $103 billion in sale. America loves their pets, and the things that you can focus on selling is essential pet products like food, water bowls, leashes, collars, pet beds, treats, toys, pet grooming brushes, and many more. Again, all of these products can be found on Alibaba, and then if you don't want to just have your own shop online, then you can use things like Shopify, but you can also plug these back into Amazon FBA and then ship it to them and let them do all the work. I've been sharing a lot of product-based businesses. I'm going to share one more with you because this is another big industry. The fourth business idea is going to be with babies. No matter what is going on in the world, people are going to take care of their children, and they are going to continue to buy products to do so. And if you didn't know, here's a little FYI. 385,000 babies are born in the world every day. There is no such thing as being an oversaturated market in this industry, and things that you can kind of focus on selling are baby clothes, baby formula, baby toys, and more. If someone has started a business with that, they could have racked up, but you can sell the big ticket items too. Everybody needs a crib, stroller, and you can get all these things again on Alibaba, and then you can sell them yourself. If you are enjoying watching our videos so far, please go ahead on and gently tap that like button for me to help me out, because it helps to get this info out to more people who are on their journey to success. The fifth business idea is going to be buying and selling domains. You know www.youtube.com, that's a domain. You can't buy that one though. However, I really didn't realize this was a thing until I needed to buy my own domain, and somebody else purchased it before me. So then if I really wanted that domain, it's going to force me to have to purchase it from that person who already bought it. and usually they buy it at like a low price, maybe $5 to $14, and what they do is turn around and sell it to you for 5 to 10 times more price. Usually people do this by finding common words like help.com, although I know they come to YouTubers that have a following, and then they take their name like they did to me and then sell it. A lot of people are successful at doing it and making money from this. Guys, there is literally so many different things that you can do, but these are like the top things that I've seen many people are successful, and so I hope that these ideas helped you. I will be sharing another 5 business ideas. Please stay tuned. Please do not forget to like this video, also subscribe if you have not done so, and other than that I thank you so much for watching, and until next time.